Hello guys, PLC programming and automation. Today we're going to learn about how to wire overhead crane. Okay, and we'll start with the wiring diagram, then we introduce the control session. And I would like to use this opportunity to greet all my German friends. Guten Tag. So we continue from there. We need to introduce a circuit breaker. Okay, so this is our circuit breaker. Then we'll also introduce a contactor. Okay, then we introduce an overload relay. Okay, then we also introduce our line. Okay, so we're doing that. You position them very well. Then we'll need to wire these aspects. Then we also introduce Hoisting Motor. Okay, we're doing this. Then I need to wire the component. Okay, so basically if you want to study about industrial control, you can write to me in the comment section. If you have any question to share with me, also you can write in the comment section. Okay, so the motor is also wired. Okay, then let's introduce another contactor. Okay, all right, so we want this motor to go up and down. Okay, so we need to wire it forward and then reverse. So that's why I introduced this contactor. So this contactor is going to work as opposite direction. Okay, so if you want to make a motor to function forward and reverse, you need to interchange the wires. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So you can see that line 3 is connected to line 1, and then line 1 is also connected to line 3. So it means that I interchange the wires. Okay, okay guys, so this is up and down. Okay, so up and down function, and I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, so that it will not keep too long. Okay, so this is it. I'll duplicate another one. Okay, so now Let's delete this one. Okay, then I think also I need to delete these ones. Okay guys, so if you find this video very helpful, kindly help me by sharing and also subscribing to my channel. Okay, so this is the wiring diagram. Okay, okay, so now we need to also duplicate this aspect for the sake of the time. Okay, then this is it. Okay, so guys, this is how to do the wiring. Okay, so we have how many contactors? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We have seven contactors for this project. Then we have three overload relay and then three motors. And these three motors we are going to use. So after you finish with the wiring, you need to address the component. Okay, so let's start with one. Have one contactor, then this also will be two contactor, and this will also be three contactor three, and this will be contactor four, this one contactor five, this one contactor six. Okay, then we have contactor contactor seven. Okay, then the overload relay also one, two, three. Okay, then the motor also we do it one, two, two, then three. Okay, so as you finish with the addressing the component, then we need to also do the control wiring to control this um, component. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to do the control wiring, okay, for these guys. All right, so thank you for watching this video and God bless us all. Choose